This is a video of the latest Clemco blastroom installed in the southern tier of western New York. This is basically a 20 long by 14 wide by 10 foot tall pneumatic room with a full recovery floor, 6,000 pound floor grating, along with debris screening underneath. See the large size of the part. The heavy duty doors on this unit. There's the internal inlet baffles along with the external ones. Of course, they put the baffles in based on the feet per minute flow that they need. Here's a heavy-duty blast hose that they'll be using an aluminum oxide abrasive along with an ACS. This is the outlet area. Plenty of light in here. 12 lights. These are changeable from the inside of the room, since we had to put this unit in a very tight space. The blaster has what they call the ACS control. Basically a toggle switch on there so that you can turn off the abrasive and only have the air come out to blow off the parts, thus ensuring that all the abrasive goes back into the room. Control panel, inside pneumatic recovery dust collector for the recovery of the material. 6 cubic foot pot storage hopper, 1200 CFM reclamation system. There's the ducting that go into an existing dust collector that they happen to have, getting 61 feet per minute flow across the room. Man door. And right now, Andrew, the technical startup assistance, is going over operator training, which is included in all the blast rooms. This install into this room area, you can see, took about 2.5 weeks. They did it themselves.